Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So grade 5 students, in last lecture we have learned about multiplication and we have done our question number 8, 9 and 10. Now we are going to solve our next question which is also about multiplication. So look at this. Our topic will be understanding the place value and our subtopic will be exercise 1.3 which is on page number 23 from our learner book. So our question number 11 is to calculate these numbers. So look at the part number A. 15,789 multiplied by 367. First of all, write these numbers and now learn table of 7. 7 nines are 63. Write 3 here and 6 will be the carry. Now learn table of 7 to 8. 7 eights are 56. Now add 6 in 56 we get 62. So write 2 here and 6 will be the carry. Now 7 sevens are 49. 49 and 6 55. Write 5 here and 5 will be the carry. So 7 fives are 35 and 5 40. Write 0 here and 4 will be the carry. Now 7 ones are 7. Adding 4 and 7. 7 and 4 is equal to 11. So write 11 here. Now put 1 multiply here. Now students start our next multiplication. Write multiply here. 6 nines are 54, write 4 here and 5 will be the carry. 6 eights are 48, adding 5 we get 53, write 3 here and 5 will be the carry. 6 sevens are 42, adding 5 we got 47, write 7 here and 4 will be the carry. 6 fives are 30. 30 and adding 4 which is equal to 34, write 4 here and 3 will be the carry. 6 ones are 6 and 3 9. Now put two signs of multiplications here. You can also write 0 instead of this sign of multiplication. 3 nines are 27, write 7 here and 2 will be the carry. 3 eights are 24 and 2 26, write 6 here and 2 will be the carry. 3 sevens are 21 and 2 23, write 3 here and 2 will be the carry. 3 fives are 15, 16, 17, write 7 here and 1 will be the carry. 3 ones are 1 and adding 1, 3 and 1 4, write 4 here. Now find sum of these numbers. 3 4 to 6, 7 3 10, adding 5 in 10 15, 1 will be the carry. 7 and 6 13 and 1 14, write 4 here and 1 will be the carry. 4 and 3 7, 1 8 and 1 9. 9 and 1 10 and 7 17, taking 1 carry. 4 and 1 5. Now students look at this question. 26,891 multiplied by 168. So after writing these numbers, let's start our multiplication. 8 ones are 8, 8 nines are 72, write 2 here and 7 will be the carry. 8 eights are 64, adding 7 in 64 we get 71. 1, write 1 here and 7 will be the carry. 8 6 are 48, adding 7, adding 7 in 48 we get 55, write 5 here and 5 will be the carry. 8 twos are 16 and 5 21, write 21 here. Now put one sign of multiplication or 0, whatever you want, to write here. Is it okay? Now 6 ones are 6, 6 nines are 54, write 4 and 5 will be the carry. 6 eights are 48 and 5 53, write 3 and 5 will be the carry. 6 6 are 36 and 5 41, write 1 here and 4 will be the carry. 6 twos are 12 and 4 16, write 16 here. Now put double sign of multiplication or 0. 1 nines are 1 ones are 1, 1 nines are 9, 1 eights are 8, 1 6 are 6, 1 twos are 2. Now find sum of these numbers. 8 6 to 8, 4 5 and 1 6, 5 3 8, 8 and 9. 17, write 7 here, 1 will be the carry. 8 1 9, 1 10 and 1 11, write 1 here, 1 will be the carry. 6 and 6 12 and 2 14 and 1 15, write 5 here, and 1 will be the carry. 2 and 1 3, and 1 4, write 4 here. And this is our final answer. I hope you all have understand this question. So students, write this question on your notebook and do your homework on your workbook. In next lecture we will learn about the division and how to calculate the larger number by using the sign of division and by dividing the numbers. Thank you students.